Hey there friends, my name is Mahesh Opari. I'm an entrepreneur and an author who have written a book called Solo Planner Recession Proof. And also, I'm an independent Healy World distributor. And you would be coming to know shortly what it is. But before that, let me give you some good information. Okay? So, are you really ready to take control of your financial future and prioritize the well-being of your loved ones? Have you ever explored making money online or building an online business? You see, I've been down that road, tried all the different strategies that the internet gurus preach. What I discovered is that there's a lot of confusion out there with everyone leading each other blindly. But I cracked the code. I found a way to make money while promoting good health, without the need to create products, handling customer service, or managing complicated payment systems. It's called the connector business model. Now, most people approach this business all wrong. I'm talking about affiliate marketing. They focus solely on driving traffic to their affiliate links, hoping for conversions. But trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. If you have tried that, you know it probably didn't yield the results you wanted. Am I right? What if I told you there's a different and more successful way to do affiliate marketing? I use this approach to build a thriving affiliate marketing empire, generating substantial monthly income consistently. And my secret is, I follow the same model as successful companies like Expedia, NerdWallet, and Bankrate would be following. They don't own any product. They own just a collaborative system, which is known as a hub-based business model. So in my free training workshop, which you can get it from the link or the button down below, from there, I'll take you behind the curtains. Okay, this is absolutely for free. No one in the market is going to do such kind of things, and I'm challenging you. And I'll show you how I started with nothing to my name and guide you step by step where to find these products, how to create a marketing engine that runs without you, and how to enjoy life while your business thrives. We don't babysit our businesses. We let system do the work for us. Like my mentor says, system works, people fail. And I follow the same strategy. And I'll teach you how to build your own system and provide guidance along the way. And if you're worried about getting traffic, don't be at all. I'll reveal reliable, predictable, and cost-effective ways to drive unlimited traffic to any website. Or it can be any product or any offer you choose. And here's my bold promise. After this workshop, you'll have the tools to hit the ground running tonight. Plus, I'm offering you an exclusive turnkey business-in-a-box solution, guaranteeing you can launch your own highly profitable affiliate marketing business in just 7 days or less. Nobody else in the industry can make this claim. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Register for my upcoming workshop from the button down below, or you can find it on the above this video anywhere. You don't have to take my word for it. You can scroll down, see what others in our community are saying below on this page, and real students, real results from the exact training you'll receive for free. I'm talking it's for free. Now I get it. The internet is full of scams, but scroll down as I said you and read real testimonials from our community members. See the transformation happening. Then register for this free workshop. And I promise you this workshop will revolutionize your life, your bank account, and your future. Join me and let's change your life together. See you inside. Get registered from the button down below. Let's go!